Imagine you are in a moment of intimacy and an unexpected obstacle arises. Erectile dysfunction. This problem affects not only the body but also the mind, generating anxiety and doubt. At that moment, you think of Viagra. However, it's not the best option. There are other solutions to regain confidence and pleasure, and today we'll explore the other alternatives and why. Erectile dysfunction can manifest itself due to stress, poor blood circulation, or emotional factors. Feeling pressure and anxiety only worsen the situation, as mental tension prevents the relaxation necessary to maintain an erection. It's vital to remember that there is a remedy and that talking about the issue is the first step towards solving it. Bringing the issue to the table allows us to seek effective therapies, whether pharmacological or natural. For decades, the word Viagra has become an almost universal reference for treating erectile dysfunction. Many people think it's the only reliable pill, but in reality, there are other options with faster effects, longer duration, and fewer side effects. This is where our comparison begins, because the pioneering formula isn't always the most suitable for each person. Viagra, whose active ingredient is sildenafil, takes about an hour to take effect and usually lasts between 4 and 6 hours. It may seem like enough, but that wait sometimes disrupts the spontaneity of the encounter. In addition, eating fatty foods and alcohol can further delay its action. Added to this are side effects such as facial redness, headaches, and congestion, which can occur more frequently. What alternatives are available to you? If you're looking for a faster response, Avanafil, also called Spedra, kicks in just 15 minutes and offers about 6 hours of duration. This means more spontaneity and less dependence on planning. It also tends to generate fewer adverse reactions and is less affected by food or moderate alcohol consumption. If you're looking for a longer-lasting effect, tadalafil, known as Cialis, can last up to 36 hours. Imagine the peace of mind of not having to precisely measure the time to take your pill. This extended window reduces pressure and allows intercourse to happen more naturally. Plus, there's a low-dose version of tadalafil, which helps keep the drug in your system consistently. For people with anxiety, this can be a huge advantage, as it eliminates worrying every time the opportunity for intimacy approaches. Another option is vardenafil, marketed as Levitra, which usually takes effect in less than an hour and lasts for about 8 hours. It's considered more reliable than Viagra in terms of results and side effects, and its absorption is less affected by food. Furthermore, it has been shown to be more effective in patients with diabetes, a factor that can be decisive for many men. There are also natural or complementary alternatives, such as Korean red ginseng, which promotes circulation and can help with mild cases of erectile dysfunction. Similarly, L-arginine combined with maritime pine extract has shown promising results according to some studies. These options may be attractive to those who prefer less aggressive treatments or seek to complement them with a holistic health approach, including exercise and a balanced diet. However, no single pill guarantees success if there is a strong psychological component. Performance anxiety is one of the most important factors in erectile dysfunction, so combining the help of a drug with specialized therapy or counseling can make a huge difference. Feeling more relaxed and confident helps the body's natural response occur unhindered. You may be wondering, which of these options best suits my case? The answer depends on factors such as the frequency of your encounters, your tolerance level for side effects, and how quickly you want to act. For spontaneous encounters, Avanafil excels. For longer durations, tadalafil is your best ally. For a compromise, vardenafil combines speed and reliability. The crucial thing is to assess your needs and consult a professional to make an informed decision. Safety is essential when choosing a pill. Unfortunately, unreliable sales sites abound, offering medications of dubious origin. Putting your health at risk is never a good idea, so it's best to go to reliable sources and follow medical advice. Remember that all of these treatments may have contraindications if you're taking other blood pressure medications or have certain heart conditions. On the other hand, it's worth maintaining healthy lifestyle habits. Regular exercise, weight control, and a proper diet can significantly improve blood circulation and, consequently, erection quality. Furthermore, reducing tobacco and alcohol consumption benefits not only your sexual performance but also your overall well-being. Sometimes, small changes in routine make a big difference and are an ideal complement to taking any pill. Erectile dysfunction shouldn't be seen as a taboo subject. On the contrary, approaching it responsibly and with an open mind leads us to discover that there is more than one route to a solution. Each body responds differently, so learning about the available options helps determine which path to take. Medical science has advanced by leaps and bounds, and thanks to this, today there's no need to limit yourself to just one pill. If one thing is clear, it's that Viagra, although useful, may not be the best alternative for many. Other molecules such as tadalafil, avanafil, and vardenafil offer advantages in terms of speed, duration, and side effects. Even natural supplements can make a difference in mild cases. Keeping an open mind and exploring various avenues is essential to regaining self-confidence and fulfillment in relationships. Also remember the importance of sleeping well and managing stress, as these factors significantly influence sexual health. Imagine leaving behind the doubts and fear that something might go wrong. Feeling the freedom of knowing you've chosen the most appropriate option for your lifestyle, that you don't have to worry about timing or facing unnecessary discomfort. This peace of mind translates into a much more pleasurable experience and an improvement in confidence that extends to other areas of life. Before closing, let's remember that the psychological factor also counts. It's not enough to take a pill and expect miraculous results. Often, it's the mind that imposes the most difficult barrier to break down, filling you with doubts and generating tension. Taking a step toward therapy or psychological counseling can relieve internal pressures and turn the encounter into a natural and enjoyable moment. Along with well-chosen medical treatment, it's a formula for success. We've covered a broad range of options, from the drawbacks of Viagra to the benefits of other pills with faster or longer-lasting effects, including natural options, and the importance of addressing the topic honestly. It's clear that each person is unique and that the final choice depends on a combination of physical and emotional factors. The important thing is to know that there are alternatives and that erectile dysfunction has a solution. The first step is to educate yourself and make the decision with confidence. After everything we've seen, one thing is clear. Erectile dysfunction is not a hopeless problem, much less a cause for shame. It's a common condition with multiple solutions, and most importantly, with a treatment that can be tailored to each individual's needs. While Viagra has been the most well-known name in this field for decades, it's not always the best option. There are faster-acting, longer-lasting, and less side-effect-prone alternatives that can offer you a better experience without the limitations imposed by the little blue pill. Options like avanafil, tadalafil, and vardenafil have proven to be more flexible, with faster onset times and longer durations allowing for more spontaneous and less predictable intimacy. Additionally, for those who prefer a more natural approach or want to complement their treatment, ingredients like Korean red ginseng or L-arginine can be powerful allies. However, beyond any drug or supplement, there is one key element that cannot be ignored: lifestyle. Stress, poor diet, lack of sleep, and a sedentary lifestyle are silent enemies of sexual performance. Adopting healthy habits will not only improve your circulation and overall well-being, but will also enhance any treatment you choose. Sleeping better, exercising, and learning to manage anxiety can make as much of a difference as the best medication. But there's something even more important: confidence. Performance anxiety is a real obstacle, and often the solution isn't just a pill, but a change of mindset. Sex shouldn't be a test of performance, but a moment of connection and enjoyment. Talking openly with your partner, reducing the pressure on yourself, and if necessary, seeking professional help can help you overcome any psychological barriers. So, the next time you think about a solution for erectile dysfunction, remember you have options. Don't settle for the first thing you hear. Do your research, educate yourself, and find what works best for you. The key is to make informed decisions and understand that sexual health is part of overall well-being. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to support us with a like and subscribe to the channel for more content on health, wellness, and practical tips. See you in the next video. Take care.